Man, I got the best job in East Texas, certainly as a superintendent. This is my 18th year here at Lindale ISD, my 26 years being a superintendent, and absolutely the best job in East Texas. You know, people can't believe, you know, my fellow superintendents can't believe how blessed I am, how fortunate I am to be here. Well, we're truly blessed. You know, the main reason we're so successful at Lindale ISD is the great support of the community. We have great parent support, great business support, and of course we have great teachers as well. That combination tends toward great student success. At Lindale High School we have a great CTE program, a Career and Technical Education program. It is something that's really grown over the last 5-6 years. We're putting more money in that part to support it, adding teachers in that area. So we want to offer the students as many different areas of study as we can. And a lot of these students are in the classes and they get hands-on experience. A lot of them go out in the community and our local businesses do a great job of supporting them and give them some, you know, some opportunities to get some hands-on stuff. You know, for families looking to move to this area, you know, businesses looking to move to East Texas, this is a great location to live. It's a great location for businesses. You know, the location just outside of Tyler and of course near the interstate, Dallas and Shreveport, we're right, you know, stuck in the middle. But it's such a great, you know, community filled with great people. And I mean very, very good families, businesses, community members. And so, you know, you want your child to attend a great school system. And we have the very best in East Texas and we have the data to prove it.